Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. Today we've got our Carolina Cooker 2-burner fryer and we are going to whip up some hush puppies for you. We're also going to take some pimento cheese, thin it out with a little bit of buttermilk just to make a nice easy pimento cheese dip for the hush puppies. First thing I'm going to do is take my hush puppy mix. I'm going to add it to the bowl and I'm going to add my water to the bowl, and we're just going to take this guy and mix it up. All right, we've got our hush puppy batter mixed up. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna borrow our little hush puppy maker here. I'm gonna get it loaded up, get my oil hot, and then go to the fryer. We've got our oil nice and hot at 350. I'm just gonna take this and start slicing off some hush puppies. Okay, so the hush puppies are getting nice and golden brown. While those are heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and make my buttermilk pimento cheese dip. I've got this buttermilk here, just gonna add it. I'm gonna add half and mix and then see where we're at. That's about what I want. I don't want it too much more runny than that, so I'm gonna leave that there. These have been floating for 2, going on 3 minutes. I think we're good to go here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these. You wanna put these off onto either a plate lined with paper towels or a wire rack, something to let that oil drain off, and there we go. Nice, simple side dish, made very easy with our Carolina Cooker 2-burner fryer. Definitely try out this buttermilk pimento cheese dip to go with hush puppies. I think it's a great addition to them. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Let us help you navigate the seasons, both in the kitchen and in the field.